Hey guys, it is Wednesday afternoon here in West Virginia. We are back stateside now. We're no longer in the Philippines, but we're still going to be bringing you some videos. Sorry about the lighting here. It's not as good as what I had in the Philippines, but it's still adequate. So this is what we have to work with. And today we're doing an unboxing on this really cool set of Chevy versus Ford, the Silverado versus the Raptor. Two iconic castings from Hot Wheels on a monster truck platform. Love the Silverado. That's one of the reasons I bought this set. And eventually, yes, we're going to give him to Ethan for his collection. I think he's got 30 plus trucks now, so he's getting a pretty nice collection of them. And sorry, we did not do an unboxing video on the DHL box. I told you I would. We just unpacked some of the stuff yesterday because I had to get some orders ready for some customers and such. So I just did that on my own, and it's a little bit hard to do an unboxing video here on something that large, but we'll still bring you these like smaller unboxings. So we're going to start with this one here. And as I said, you got two iconic castings here from Hot Wheels. The 83 Silverado and then the 2017 Ford Raptor, I believe is what it's based on. And anyways, they put them on monster truck platforms, which they look really sweet. And such. They've done a couple of the 83 Silverado already. I'm not sure about the Raptor. They may have done more of them. Not sure. Here are your Versus sets on the back. You have the, I don't even know what that would be. It's like the hamburger one versus whatever that other one is. I have no idea. Then you have like the Mario ones. It almost looks like Donkey Kong versus the Turtle from Mario Brothers. And then you have the Volkswagen Drag Bus versus the Volkswagen Bug. And we did an unboxing on actually one of those sets, but it was different colors. So that is a pretty cool set there. I think they made this in a single pack. Actually, I think they made both of those in single packs too, because I have this one for Ethan, but we got it in the single pack. So, but these two I don't think were in singles. As I said, the Silverado's been in singles. They actually did a treasure hunt of the Silverado back at the end of last year. So that's one I would like to get for Ethan too. But yeah, it's because I favor that casting. So yeah, some of his toy collection is because they're my favorites, I guess. So I'm reliving my childhood through him when it comes to playing with these guys. So let's get these off the card and take a look at them. So this is not a pre-open package like I do sometimes. This one we're actually getting ripped open, and we're going to throw them to Ethan as soon as we're done. Right, Ethan? Yeah. Alright, so there's our Raptor, and here is our Silverado. And Ethan likes that Silverado because of the flag. So we'll take a look at that one first so I can give it to him right away. So as you see, it's got the gray wheels with the chrome bead lock, which is pretty cool. And the gray wheels kind of match the grayish-blue paint, and it has Ghosted in Flames. Also with a racing stripe, like a silver racing stripe. It has a chrome roll bar. And then the racing flag like they used to have on the 80s monster trucks. Pretty cool. No detailed headlights, but still a chrome grille and chrome push bar, just like the regular casting of the four-wheel drive. And you have your detailed tail lights, chrome rear bumper, and such. And I'm trying to see what we have on the side. Oh, just Hot Wheels ghosted in. That's pretty cool. Down on the rocker panel. And then same thing on the tailgate. Nice chassis, chrome with black. I think it's all plastic on the bottom nowadays. No more metal because they're getting lighter. Lighter and cheaper. But they had this set on sale at Walmart yesterday. I wish I would have done an in-store video because I found some cool stuff. Bought some Auto World cars. The Auto World stuff was stocked, but no Ultra Red. Somebody beat me to those. But they had a ton of Ultra Red or Auto World stuff. And I bought a couple of them to do an unboxing on, a Challenger and the new Chrysler Conquest. I was anticipating getting that one, so I'll do an unboxing on that later on in the week. And we also found some Fast and Furious stuff, some other pop culture stuff, and so forth. But yeah, these are the things we picked up. The Hot Wheels monster truck set and the Outer World stuff. So we'll bring that to you later, the Outer World stuff. And we'll start doing some in-store videos from Walmart as soon as we get settled in here. So here's your Raptor, based on the 2017 Raptor. And such. Nice detail on the grille and headlights. Nice detail with the black fender flares. Detailed Ford across the tailgate. Detailed tail lights. All white wheels. And as you can see, it has Hot Wheels, raised letter on the black wheels. And so did the Silverado. I just didn't point that out. And once again, chrome and black plastic for the base. Once again, getting light. Does have nice workable suspension there. They always have. Just worried that these ones are going to break a little bit easier because it has the plastic base. But you know what? A lot of them may have. I haven't really looked at a ton of his monster trucks up close, but you can see the detailed engine in the back there, and same with the Silverado. So pretty cool. Clash of the Titans, Ford versus Chevy. So make sure you check me out on Instagram, check my post, because I do have a lot of stuff coming up for sale, and I will be contacting you guys that have been talking to me in my comments in the videos here and on Instagram, and letting you know I'm back, ready to ship your stuff. I think I've contacted a couple of you already and such. And once again, check me out on Instagram, because some stuff I did not post and I'm just now posting, so you may see something that you need. So I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll be back later on in the week with our Conquest Auto World unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys.